Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to send a single event from Google Calendar to Skylight. For that, you will need to follow some steps correctly. To send a single event from a Google Calendar to your Skylight calendar, first tap on the event, then tap on the pencil to edit. Note, after this process, you will need to check for an email from Skylight to approve the email address sending the invitation. First, you will need to go to the event page, as you can see here. Then click on this icon, this edit icon or pencil icon, as you can see. After, you will need to tap on the list of invitees. The invitees list is look like this, as you can see. Select the invitees. When you select the invitees, then add your unique Skylight calendar email address to the list of invitees. Add the email address. After, you will need to click on done. Tap done and then save the event and send it to Skylight calendar. As you can see the save option, click on save and send it to Skylight calendar. That's it.